Hello my friends, let's take some successful signals on this indicator RSI. How it works. The minute frame is for a minute. The arrow must appear at the beginning of the candle or the middle of the candle. Just follow the video to the end and let's see how much profits we will make. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell button and like the video. We took the first two successful signals. To take more, just watch the video to the end. As you can see how the signals are passed, but my dear, do not forget the method of work, 1 minute frame and 1 minute expiration period, continue to the end. If you reach here, please like the video and subscribe to the channel to receive all new, and share the video with your friends, and do not forget to write to us on the Telegram channel. Goodbye and wait for us in a new video with a new indicator and more profits.